Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a quick 5-minute mobility routine perfect for starting your day, breaking up long sitting periods, or easing stiffness. All you need is a sturdy chair. If standing, keep it nearby for support. Remember, move gently, never force, and stop if anything hurts. Let's begin. Start seated or standing near a sturdy chair for support. Begin by gently nodding your head yes 5 times, turning it side to side no 5 times, and rolling shoulders forward backward 5 times each. Next, clasp hands behind your head to open the chest. Hold 3 breaths. Then reach one arm overhead to lean sideways gently. Hold 3 breaths each side. And place hands on shoulders for slow torso twists, 5 each way. Move to ankles. Circle each foot 5 times clockwise, counterclockwise. Then do 10 seated knee lifts, or gentle marching if standing, followed by 10 seated leg extensions per leg. Straighten knee, flex foot, hold 2 seconds. Standing option, hold chair. Lift knee toward chest. Place hands on hips for 5 slow circles each direction. Flow into 5 seated reach and steps. Reach arms up, step feet out. Reach toward toes, step feet back. Standing option, hold chair for 5 mini squats, then 10 heel-toe rocks. Finish with 3 deep belly breaths. Inhale 4 sec, exhale 6 sec. A gentle seated forward fold, hang loosely 10 seconds, and one final overhead reach. Remember, move smoothly, never force, stop if painful, breathe throughout, and consult your doctor before starting new exercises. Do this daily to improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and maintain mobility. You did it! Just 5 minutes to boost your mobility, reduce stiffness, and feel more limber. Do this daily. Consistency is key. Important. Consult your doctor before starting new exercises. Listen to your body. Like and subscribe for more senior health tips. Share in the comments. How did this routine make you feel? Stay strong and keep moving.